Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews. Today I'm reviewing this lavalier mic. So I use this personally for all of my videos. So I'm just not using it for this one because I'm showing the recording. So I don't have two phones with me right now. So you would just connect it to your phone with this device here. It's very simple. You just plug it right into the phone and you don't have to go into Bluetooth. You don't have to click anything. It just connects automatically to this mic. So step one would be you would want to connect this to the phone, so you're done with that. Then, and if you need to charge the mic, you would use this cable that it comes with. You plug this end into this right here, and then you just plug it in, like so. And then this end goes into, I personally use my laptop. When I'm done recording sometimes, like after a few times, I just plug it in. Because then you'll forget, what'll happen is, happens to me at least, I'll forget to record this thing, and then I'm gonna do videos as I'm doing it right now. And I'm like, oh, it has no battery. Now I can't do the video. I have to wait for it to charge and then come back later. So it's annoying. So I like to just recharge it when I'm done. Not every single time, maybe like after 2-3 times you use it, or unless you use it for a very long period of time, you just want to just plug it in, forget about it, let it charge. So anyway, so that's that. So it has a little clip here. I like to clip it here on my shirt. Make sure it's not like aiming down or something. You want it to make sure it's at least aiming somewhat up. Kind of like that, or you just configure it, or you can put it more in the center, and you just want to make sure it's at least sort of aiming up. Like if it starts to do this, that's not good. You want to maybe put it a little bit closer. You just play with it until you can get it, or you can just do this and you can just talk just like this, and it's like a little mini, like a mic, but little mini mic. So it definitely works really, really well. You'll see it's night and day difference. This is my video without this, so with it, it's much better. So, and it also has this little sponge here. You can take it off, but I prefer to have it on. And then, yeah, and then you want to make sure it's on. So you would hold this button here. And that would be the button you'd want to press. And then when you press it, it will light up like this. So if it is flashing, you're not connected. So you want to make sure this light is green. So it's not green because the little plug is not plugged in. So this thing is not plugged into the phone. So once it is, this light will stay green. And then when you're done, you want to turn it off. So always make sure that the light is green. If not, you're not on air. So yeah, it's happened to me many times. So you want to make sure. So I hope that was helpful and hope you check it out.